Here's one of the best kept secrets in Georgia. The Plumbers, Pipe Fitters, and Service Technicians Local Union 72 has been proudly serving the city of Atlanta and the state of Georgia for more than 100 years.
I'm George Head, Business Manager of Local Union 72. We have over 3,200 journeymen and apprentices in our local. We're presenting this video so that you may better understand the policies and practices of our plumbers, pipe fitters, and service technicians. You will hear from some of our signatory contractors and their customers.
Hi, I'm David McKinney, Chairman of McKinney's Incorporated. Last year we celebrated our 60th anniversary as a mechanical contractor in Atlanta, Georgia. We have grown over the years into a large-scale commercial mechanical contractor, mostly high-rise office buildings, hospitals, data centers, so forth. Currently, our employment ranges between 600 and 1,000 people. About 30 years ago, management and labor wised up and realized that we were teammates and not adversaries. And since then, the relationship between us and our workers has been ideal. Our relationship with Local 72 manifests itself in a lot of different ways. Personally, I sit as a member of a jointly administered Pension and Health and Welfare Trust Committee and have for over 30 years. We have an ample supply of highly trained workers available to us as we expand and contract our business through the local's hiring hall.
My name is Richard Rogers. I'm the Director of Peaking Operations for AGL Resources Company. Today, we're at our Riverdale LNG plant. This plant was constructed in 1972 and over the years have had many modifications, upgrades, and improvements made. Throughout the years, we've used Player & Company, a Local 72 contractor, to provide us with all types of mechanical services. Everything from plant shutdown jobs, emergency repairs, to turnkey large projects. Our relationship with Local 72 has always provided the skilled craftsmanship that we need. This would include such things as stainless steel welding, rigging, necessary repairs, confined space entry. They've had the necessary classroom training as well as on-the-job training.
I'm Phyllis Lewis with Papa Mechanical Contractors. We are a union contractor in Albany, Georgia. We have been a contractor here for 29 years. My father started the company. He was a union member. We have been signatory to the Plumbers, Pipe Fitters, and Service Technicians Local 72 since we began. We are ASME certified and we rely on Local 72 to provide us with top quality certified welders to perform our projects. Our relationship with Local 72 is very important. We work at paper mills, food processing plants, power generating plants, chemical plants, and it's very important that the people we employ there are familiar with those environments. With safety being so important in an industrial setting, we rely on Local 72 to provide us with the safety training necessary to ensure that the workers are safely doing the job. The great thing about the apprentice training program at Local 72 is that we know for the future it will provide us with trained employees. By hiring through Local 72, we are ensured that we could get local employees who are part of this community here. We are very proud to say that we try to support our community and we try to keep people employed who could benefit our area.
Hi, my name is Abraham Mack. I am the owner of Panola Enterprises. I was offered an opportunity to become an owner of a company, and that's what I've always wanted to do. One of the best things that has happened with our program is that our welders, they are certified, and at no cost to the contractors. When we have well-trained craftsmen on our jobs, they are our salesmen. Our company will benefit from having a well-trained workforce that knows what they're doing. They put it in one time. We don't have to have repeat to go back and do the same work twice, 3 times, or what have you. And furthermore, all of our workers and the members have to have, through our contract, 4 hours of continuing education each year, whether it be pipe fitter, service technician, plumber. They are all certified with the OSHA 10 class, and that's a plus. And I can't say that's for everybody that's on construction site these days, but I can say for Local 72, that's one of the things that we are proud of. Local 72 is a good partner for Panola. We don't have to worry about where we will get trained craftsmen or people with different expertise, because I have a source. I can call my plumber BA or fitter BA and say, I need a certified welder, or I need a med gas technician for a certain project or what have you. And of course, those technicians are available to us. All of those things take place at the school, and still the contractor doesn't have to pay a penny for those training. It's all done through JATT. Without Local 72, I would not exist.
Hello, my name is Bruce Tucker, Chief Engineer at the Atlanta Marriott Marquis. With dealing with the contractors that I've dealt with and the select contractors from Local 72, they've provided a level of expertise that can only be obtained through years of training. You can't always get that type of, or rarely get that type of information or the expertise that these individuals get without a cost. And a lot of times that cost is included in what might be your fees or paying for somebody to go to school. With Local 72, they're training individuals on the job, and they're learning in facilities like mine or other facilities that are around Atlanta, and learning what needs to be done in Atlanta. These guys work here and are from here and have a great deal of pride in trying to take care of the buildings and take care of the facilities that exist in their own hometown. This goes a long way, and you don't generally get that with a non-union contractor. You know when you're getting somebody from the 72 that not only have they had experience working in your building, but they've had experience working in a vast number of plants or industrial facilities and have a huge amount of technical expertise that brought to the table. They're also taking the time to work with the younger individuals and to work with groups of people to pass on the trade. Having that trade passed on to the next generation or to future generations is only obtained through a program like what they have at 72. They take the time to bring people in, educate them, pay them for their education, and knowing that gives a management group or an ownership group a good feeling about what we're going to have at our hands next, in the next decade, the next 2 decades. With 72, they have the ability to ramp up. A lot of contractors that are not tied in with 72 can't ramp up their staff levels to accommodate a short notice of, next week we've got to have 40 or 50 people here to take care of changing out 400 or 500 toilets. That's happened at my property, and because of F&S Mechanical's relationship and having all of their staff from Local 72, they were able to ramp up to take care of a high time, and they could cut back when they needed to, which saved me money as well as the contractor money.
Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. We want to make sure you know we get the job done right the first time, increasing productivity and your profit.